Hello everyone, this is Mr. from Pension Computer Solutions Global Private Limited. Hope you guys are doing well. So guys, today I came up with a new session about something that is very interesting and informative also. So guys, are you worried about your career startup? Are you not getting any opportunity from your campus, from your college campus? So what to do in that time and how PCS Global is going to help you to get campus job through campus drive. Today, we are going to talk about this. So Alok sir is with us. He is an 18 years experienced IT mentor. So how these things can happen in your college? What are the process and how PCS Global can visit your colleges? What are the initiatives we can take for you today? We are going to discuss about all those things. So hi sir, this is Devmitra.
Okay. Good evening, Devamitra, and good evening to all. Okay, so thank you for inviting me to discuss about our recent planning for campus
Thank
drive
you.
for this
Thank you
financial
to
year.
you, sir, because you are giving your valuable time to us. So, sir, today we came to know about there is some rumor that big IT MNC companies are not going to intake candidates from campus, in college campus. So what these people are going to do because they are completing their academic qualification, and if they are not getting any opportunity from their college, what they will do? So, what kind of solution you bring for these people? Today, I want to know from your side, sir.
Yes, definitely. I'm really excited to share information with you and through you, okay, all audience who are watching this video. Especially this video is message is target towards training and placement officer, towards okay who are campus coordinator, and
Mm-hmm.
it is a message for all
Mm-hmm.
okay engineering and management students. And PCS Global has a long history of campus drive, and the years we become private limited company in 2013,
Mm-hmm.
and that was the year. And it is a one exciting story I want to tell you.
Yes,
uh, yes,
absolutely.
as a person's not getting job due to some percentage barrier
Mm-hmm.
in BITS Mesra campus, definitely I have a something revolution in my mind. So they will come, okay, with the company which I have founded. It should go to the visit in college and to recruit the students through campus drive. So 2013 onwards, in I can remember every year initially days we have
Mm-hmm.
visited 10 around campus premises
Mm-hmm.
and majorly all universities in our West Bengal. And gradually
Great.
2015 onwards, we stepped down to beyond Bengal. And again in 2019, I visited for job fair drive in Andaman and Nicobar Island,
Yeah.
and beyond it, Amity University, Techno India, several engineering colleges. Okay, so now our team, we are in multiple city, multi locations, and our team are in across the pan India locations. So this is the year where yes, it is a market, is a buzz, and it is a that's even big giant companies actually they are not going to campus. Okay, so it is
Why,
a
sir? What is the reason behind it?
yes, in the market scenario, you know that there is some financial inflation is happening in the throughout the
Okay.
okay, it's impacting the IT market scenario. And
Mm-hmm.
beyond this, you know, today's all we are very closely connected. If some places or is happening in Gulf countries, even it is a directly or indirectly
Yes,
impacting the
there is
IT
an
business.
impact in our
Yes,
country also.
previous year, you know, just post COVID,
Mm-hmm.
second wave, IT market becomes very good, but suddenly Ukraine Russia war, even it is a some unstable situation in the world, okay,
True.
political
Mm-hmm.
environment, its
Yes.
impact a huge in the job market, layoffs, and even which company people do not think it. The companies like Salesforce, company like Google, company like
Mm-hmm.
each and every companies lay off their associates also.
True.
It is a big matter.
It is a
But
huge
I want to
impact.
share the story of the even many resource after being laid off in the some okay mid-level and service company, even they reach to us in PCS Global. Even we try to accommodate them according to our way. So this is the when this difficult scenario is happening. Even I spent in 18 years in IT industry. I have seen the 2001. It is a after World Trade Center incident. Then 2008 financial crisis, and even multiple scenario we have seen it. But we know the strategy. We know the strategy how to overcome this scenario. So this is the year. It is a my missions. Okay, it is a PCS Global vision, and we are going to start visiting from this November onwards. You are going to your campus. If you are
So
training and
PCS
placement
Global will
coordinator,
start visiting the campus of colleges like another college like is it going to happen in our state only or in another states
no,
also?
it is a across pan India. Okay, this
Across
year
pan
PCS
India.
Global will be
Wow.
visit. Okay, more than
Mm-hmm.
150 around college campus. It is as per invitation already done, and
Mm-hmm.
definitely our solution. Okay, it is a we are here not to give you the highest package. We are here to accommodate best talents in our organization in this difficult time. Beyond our solution, not only for best resource, our
Okay.
solution will be resource who even not get eligible for the campus directly, even who are rejected
Yes,
from MN.
this was my
Okay,
question. There is a question in my mind. So, if some people who has a percentage barrier or career or academical gap, so most of the time, what we have seen that another MNCs or another companies are not going to intake them, so they don't give them any opportunity. So, is it any solution for them in your mind?
yes, I want to share with my own life incident. Okay, when in BIT messed up,
Yes.
and when I reached to third year of engineering, and came to know because it was a full rhythm started preparations. But the moment I got the news,
Mm-hmm.
even due to percentage issue, I am not eligible for any company. I can imagine. So what was my mental status? So the things is PCS Global has a multiple program inside the organization, which is called EILP, Employee Internship Startup Program, and where a resource can start their career as a software trainee. We have a CLP program, who need special care, who are not self-learner, who need someone close hand holding for them CLP program. We have already another program called SIP. Okay, it is a smart internship
Internship
program
program.
which
Right.
can be give the huge career startup employment in our country. Even who are pursuing students first year, second year, third year, even they are working with the emerging technologies even throughout the college when they are in college. Yes, PCS Global is exciting to visit your college with a two package for all. Whenever we go to any college and who are our partner, we take an adapt of this college. We take the entire college student. So it's like a pulse polio. Nobody should be rejected. So the things our solution for all.
Okay. So
Yes.
PCS Global is going to do one thing that we are not going to select five candidates or 10 candidates. We will provide the solution for everyone.
Not exactly. Definitely, when it is a
Hmm.
formal campus drive is happening, and
Mm-hmm.
definitely a certain selection will be happen for best resource.
Okay.
Okay, it's
Okay.
according to merits. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
that will be one category. Okay, they
Mm-hmm.
will be get direct salary or CTC bracket, and
Mm-hmm.
their selection, even their training stringent processes will be different. But another category of the resource who are not that level. Okay, it is the campus drive is one kind of 1 day match. Okay,
Yes.
so the
Sure.
things is if someone only that day do not perform, okay, that day not with you, so you cannot say the it is a he is a
He is not
non-productive,
present.
non-performer.
Yes. Yes.
So there is a then we want to give them different solution. They can engage with us because PCS Global is a most trusted and best platform originated in our country.
True.
This is the
Since last
platform
10
for
years.
freshers. This is a
Mm-hmm.
platform for students who want to build their emerging technologies career. So it is a platform for all. Okay, that's the reason. One exceptional things we do not go for college campus directly campus. So we have kept one prior or post campus drive, we do a master session. Okay, it is a dedicated master session with students and who are final year students, even some grooming and some roadmap and some industry experienced persons can visit and share knowledge so that even they can prepare best of the best also. So that our initiative, it is a overall bring goodness for all students because they are very close to my heart. I have working since my career beginning, and so that they will be definitely get a one breakthrough in their career.
Great to know that. So, sir, if training and placement officers wanted to connect with us, where they can connect?
Yes, definitely. There is a dedicated helpline. One email is there. You can note down. It is a campus
Campus
at the rate
address
pcsgpl.com. And
Right.
definitely they can connect with our phone numbers in our websites. And dedicated team members are Olankruta madam. She is dedicatedly, tirelessly working, and her team is for campus drive coordination. And beyond it, if any college required their pre-campus pre-campus event, even we are also providing some solution for campus event also, so that student can
Campus.
groomed also, and
Okay.
some motivational, even some simulation type of things, so that they can not only PCS Global, they can also perform for other campus.
Okay, great.
So one good things I want to share with you, in PCS Global Campus Drive, we do not keep any bond. PCS Global Campus Drive, it is a human bond because it is a no bond will be there.
So, guys, from PCS Global side, from our side, there will be no bond. So, the only thing you need to do, you need to perform, right? So, sir, what are the activities we are going to conduct in this session?
Yes, campus drive, it is a part, is a first day when will be reach your college, and our plan will be to conduct a master sessions and to meet with students. That is our first day. Second day, our plan, we should do the formal campus drive in full day. It will be multiple rounds. It will be aptitude test. It will be machine test. It will be one-to-one interaction, GD round. It's a extempo round will be there, and finally there will be HR round will be there. And definitely on spot will be given the joining letters and is goodies with the PCS Global. And next, uh, next, who are who are suppose not shortlisted, and definitely they will be get more solution to engage with PCS Global, so that they can tomorrow build equal career who are getting campus also. So our solution for all.
Great. This is the solution that who are not getting the opportunity, we are there for them also. And in PCS Global, they will get the proper solution and they will get to know where they are lacking. Why after studying from same college, some people getting the opportunity and why they are not getting the opportunity. So this support will be provided from our side. So guys, this is about all about the campus drive from PCS Global. We are going to visit all the colleges across Pan India basis. So kindly, if you want us in your campus, kindly communicate with us, and our email ID has been provided. So I request to all the TPOs, kindly communicate and make your college, your candidate successful in IT. So thank you, sir. And
So thank you, Devamitra. And yes, my message to all training and placement officer, training coordinator, students. Okay, definitely we are waiting to meet with you very soon. And definitely PCS Global will bring you the multiple solution, and so that freshers, students don't get worried. Okay, PCS Global with you. And we are going to bring a change of 5 lakhs around freshers in this year.
True. So this is for now, guys. This is for today's session. Kindly communicate with me if you wanted to visit Alok sir, if you wanted to communicate or consult about your problems with Alok sir, my number has been provided in the videos, and there will be one Google form. You can fill this form also. So this is for today's session. I will get back with new topics and I will communicate with you. So if you find these videos are good and helpful and informative also, kindly subscribe my channel, do comment and hit the like button. This is now for now. Bye. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, everybody.